Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Fact. Right after the higher secondary exam results, students are both worried and enthusiastic about their college education. They are confused about which college they should join or how much marks can lead them to a good college. So in this video, I will discuss about some famous colleges across West Bengal with their facilities, eligibility criteria, scholarships, placements, etc. We also have some career guidance videos of various professions. You will get detailed information about how to achieve that particular profession which you have chosen as your career, such as an advocate, engineer, raw agent, pharmacist, etc. You will get the video links in this video's description. But before we begin, I want to thank all of you for joining into today's video. If you are new to our videos, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to get more educational and informative videos. So today's discussion will be about Scottish Church College in Kolkata. Scottish Church College is one of the top colleges in India. It is a premier institute for pursuing undergraduate and postgraduate studies and is the oldest continuously running Christian liberal arts and science college in the country. It has been rated A by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council, an autonomous organization that evaluates academic institutions in India. It is affiliated with the University of Calcutta for degree courses for graduates and postgraduates. It is a selective co-educational institution known for its high academic standards. Students and alumni call themselves Caledonians in the name of the college festival Caledonia. This college is the second oldest college in North Kolkata and has produced many professionals, and some of the notable personalities are Swami Vivekananda and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Students of Scottish Church College Kolkata will be facilitated with library, classrooms, hostel, sports and cultural activities. Next we will go through this college's courses. Scottish Church College Kolkata offers BA Honours in Sanskrit, Bengali, English, History, Philosophy and Political Science, BSc Honours in Microbiology, Physics, Zoology, Botany, Chemistry, Computer Science, Economics and Mathematics, B.Ed in Geography, Philosophy, Physical Science, Life Science, English, Bengali and History. This college also offers MSc in Botany and Chemistry. The admission for MSc is based on the entrance test conducted by the college, and admissions to B.Ed programs is merit based. Now we will talk about the eligibility criteria. For B.Ed in Geography, Philosophy, Physical Science, Life Science, English, Bengali and History, Bachelor's or Master's with 50% or B.Tech or BE with 55%. For MSc in Botany and Chemistry, BSc is required in the relevant subject. For BA in Sanskrit and Bengali, higher secondary with 50% in aggregate and 50% in the relevant subject. For BA in English, higher secondary with 60% in aggregate and 70% in the relevant subject. For BA in History, higher secondary with 60% aggregate, 60% in History and 60% in English or Bengali for Arts and History. Or 60% aggregate and 65% in English or Bengali for Science and Commerce. Or 60% aggregate and 65% in English or Bengali for Arts without History. For BA in Philosophy, higher secondary with 50% in Arts streams and 50% in the relevant subject. For BA in Political Science, higher secondary with 60% aggregate, 65% in Political Science and 65% in English or Bengali for Arts and Political Science. Or 60% aggregate and 65% in English or Bengali for Arts without Political Science. Or 60% aggregate, 75% in English or Bengali for Science or Commerce. For BSc in microbiology, higher secondary with 55% in aggregate and 60% in biology or biotechnology or botany. For BSc in physics, higher secondary with 65% aggregate, 65% in physics and mathematics taken together. For BSc in botany, higher secondary with passing chemistry and 55% in aggregate and 60% in biology or biotechnology or botany. For BSc in chemistry, higher secondary with chemistry, physics, mathematics and English with 60% marks in aggregate and 60% marks in chemistry. For BSc in computer science, higher secondary with 60% aggregate, 60% in maths and 60% in computer science or information science, otherwise physics. For BSc in economics, higher secondary with 60% aggregate and 50% in English and 60% in maths and 60% in economics with economics, or 60% aggregate and 50% in English and 60% in maths. For BSc in mathematics, higher secondary with 60% aggregate and 70% in mathematics. For BBA, higher secondary with 60% aggregate. For BCom, higher secondary with 55% in aggregate for best of 4, 55% in accountancy and 40% in maths or BSTD or CSTX or CLPA or economics for commerce stream, or 60% in aggregate for best of 4 and 60% in maths for the science stream. There is a placement cell which trains the students to attend placements during their final year. They train the students to not only have excellent academic reports but also effective soft skills. They have experienced faculty who know how to bring out the best in students. The various companies that recruit students are Tata Consultancy Services, ICICI Prudential Life Insurance, Amazon India, Trust Club Consulting Private Limited, Zycus Private Limited, Indigo Airlines, Genpact, Essence Chemicals and Services Private Limited, and PricewaterhouseCoopers. The Alumni Association of the college is the Scottish Church College Former Students Association. Its objective is to keep the former students in touch with each other and maintain links with the college. The association organizes reunion meetings and social gatherings. Departments organize their reunion meetings either biannually or annually in the college campus. In West Bengal, only Scottish Church College National Service Scheme Unit has their autonomous alumni association, namely 10 years and beyond. In 2017, first alumni meet of 10 years and beyond was organized. Not Swami Vivekananda and Subhash Chandra Bose were the only renowned persons who passed from this college. The list also contains the first Indian chairman of ICC and former president of BCCI Jagmohan Dalmia, editor-in-chief of Anandabazar Patrika Ashok Kumar Sarkar, singer and actor Silajit Majumdar, Mithun Chakrabarti and Manna De. Friends, you can find the contact number, address, email, website and online admission link of the college in this video's description. So thank you friends to be with us throughout the video. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Friends, if you want a video on a particular college, feel free to let us know in the comments section. Also, if I missed some points about this college that you know, you can also mention that. So that's all for now. I will be back with another video discussing about another college.